Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi guys, so as you can see, here is KINEMASTER. Here is the icon. You can see it in Google Play Store. So here it is. So you can see now, you can see three options. So the middle one is edit. So as you can see, I am pointing it edit. So as you can see, you can select the ratio you need, but you can see we have three ratios: 16.9, 9.16 and 1.1. But I use 16.9, which is very good. So you can start. You can choose the video or picture you want to edit. So you can see. So you can see now I'm looking for the picture. Just a minute, please. Where is it? Let's scroll up. Where is it? Where is it? So you can see I'm looking for the video. So let's just apply a background. You see I've applied a background. Let's apply the channel logo. You see now here it is. So let's go to the background and add a layer, then go to media. Yes. Then you can choose the picture you want to add on it. Let's go to Canva, add another logo. So as you can see, I can take the logo back to the beginning of the background. I don't want it in the second tag. Yes. Then I'll go to the last side and reduce it. Then this plus sign, let me crop it. Yes. So as you can see, I'm cropping it. Yes. I'm cropping it now. To finish cropping it, you can add a feather or mask or shape. You can see now I'm adding a feather. So now you can go and look for some editing if you like. You can choose the shape, any shape you need. You can see I'm changing the shapes. So you can see now. So forget about that. Now this plus sign in the middle, you can choose it. Like if you want to add an animation, like let's say, and you see 3D transition. Now, can you see how it does? Can you see it? So you can add anyone you want. This is cracked glasses. So you can see classic transition, you can see zoom out. So we have plenty of them. You see powerful on stage. Can you see? It's on stage. So you can add any layout you need or watermark. As you can see now, I'm just like setting the picture. Let it not be when the animation is occurring, and let it not be before it occurs. As you can see, there are plenty. You see this one? It just looks like the sky. You can add a text. So I don't want to add a text. So there are many There are many transition effects. There are many effects if you need. So let's choose an effect. Let's see all the effects first. Cycle, many cycles, as you can see. And we have and the star wipe. So let's choose the cracked glasses. Now let's crop the second tag. So as you can see now, we can choose another clip graphics. You see I've added vignette. So KINEMASTER is just an app for editing. You can edit anyhow you like. You see now, I'm just editing the blending. You see highlight, lighten, darken, color bond. So there are plenty. You can see overlay, normal, there's just plenty. So as you can see now, let's play it. Can you see the animation? Yes. So let's add like something like a sticker. Yes, let's go to overlay. Yes. And classic stickers. Then you choose any sticker you need. Let's choose a crown. So you can see now, I've selected the crown. I'm cropping it. Let's go. So as you can see now, I've selected the crown. I'm cropping it with the image there. You can choose another sticker. Let's choose a star. No. Let's choose a star, yeah. Yes. As you can see now, let's crop the star. Yes. Let's reduce the crown. Yes. Yeah, now I've cropped it. So now let's play the video. So you can see now. So let's see what we can do again. Yes. Let's see. Can you see the animation now? So you can also like add a key. Like change the animation. When the video is playing, the sticker should be moving. So you go to settings. No, not settings. I'm sorry. Now, you just select the sticker. You just select the sticker, or yes, you select the sticker. You want a key on it. Yes, as you can see now, you can see the key logo. Let me point it. Yes, you can see I'm pointing the key logo. That means you can add a key. Like when the video is playing, you can add a key to it. Can you see now I'm moving the star? So I will move the video where I want the star to move. You see now I'll move it further. Upper. Yes. That's a bit there. Yes. Key. Okay. You won't click on it. As soon as you go to where you want the star to be, you just go further. Yes, as you can see now, I'm rotating the star. So now I'm rotating it. Let it be here. And let it be. Let's go. Let me just add the size. As you can see, I've added so many keys on the sticker. As you can see now. So let's keep going. Yes, let it come down. Down. Yes, it's okay. Let's add a key. Let it rotate. And let it be its normal position. So we have added a key on the store. So now let's play the video. Can you see now how the star is moving? Yes, now we have added a key to it. Then for the crown, let's add a key also. As you can see, we have increased the time. So now let's add a key to it. Let's just do it up, down, up, down. It's okay. The crown don't have to rotate too much, just like the star. Just let it be side, right, left, and let it be in its normal position. Yeah. So now let's play the video. As you can see, wow. Yes. So you can edit more and more in KINEMASTER. As you can see. So if you want to save your video, you can go to that arrow that goes up. So you click on export. Here it is, export. Then you can leave it to finish. If your video is long, it will take too much of time. So if you want to make your video short, you can make it short. If you want to make it long, you can make it long. To anyone. So now we've exported it. So now you can go home, your home screen. Yes. Let's see. Yes. You can go home. Go to your gallery. And you can see it. If you go to your export, go to your albums. Then you go to export albums. Yes. Then you search on export. Yes, here it is, export. And you can see all my exports. Here it is, the last page. Yes, let's play it. Wow, it looks so nice. So that's how you can edit on KINEMASTER. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.